Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. I wanted to go through the Auto Harmonic Pattern Recognition software, and it's quite a few platforms we've got it for now. This is the ThinkorSwim version. I wanted to go through the ideal type of trade on a few different time frames as well. So if you're day trading, you know, this is platinum, for example. This was last Friday on the 5-minute time frame. What we're looking for really is for the automatic pattern recognition. It's saying it's a crab, but it finishes in our predicted completion zone. So this pattern completion zone is really important. When that happens, there's a high probability it's going to go short. And some of you say, well, where's the entry? For me, on globaltradingsoftware.com, we've got a small indicator called the EMA cloud. And I use the EMA cloud here, set at 21 EMA, and I can use that for both entry and trade management. Really, they are really good trade management tools. And for the entry for this harmonic, it's just a simple add-on, and this crab pattern completes in the automated completion zone, and the short is a monster. We then move back in time. We see again a back pattern complete here in the automated zone. We go short below the EMA cloud. Really great looking trade. Now conversely, we see a back pattern complete above the auto completion zone, and you see it continue to go higher. If it doesn't complete in the completion zone, we don't trade it. So let's look at a couple more. Let's look at NQ, the NASDAQ. First of all, I'm going to go to the 4-hour. Because sometimes on a larger time frame we're looking for direction. We may trade it on shorter time frames on the strategies, but in reality what we're looking for sometimes is on those 4 hours and on those hourlies to really look for the direction, the resulting trade. So remember, when a back pattern completes in its automated completion zone, we're looking for the resulting trade in the opposite direction. So when we look here at NASDAQ on the 4-hour, we get a crab pattern complete. Now this was quite a while ago, okay, but look at the direction of the NASDAQ since this crab pattern completed here in the automated completion zone. It has been going up ever since. Again, with a larger time frame, you would probably on a 4-hour, you would probably change the EMA cloud to something like an 89 or something like that. Click OK, click Apply. And then what we're looking for obviously are entries, if you're going to trade at longer time. And you can use then the EMA cloud to manage that trade. So again, longer term, you would look at that crab pattern completed and think, you know what, I'm looking for long trades right now, and as long as this the price action stays above the 89 EMA, again the EMA cloud is a separate indicator. It's also available for all the platforms that we've got the Auto Harmonic for. You know, this is a great looking long-term play. Now if we look at NASDAQ on the 15-minute, we can see right now we have a back pattern forming. Okay, so this is what it looks like in real time. It's had the A, B, the C wave, and now we're looking for this to complete in this automation completion zone. So we wait. If we're going to trade NASDAQ today, it's a Monday, if we want to go long, we need this back pattern to complete in that automated completion zone. Remember, I just need to change this back to 21 now because we're trading on a day trading time frame really. So I'm going to go to 21, click OK, click Apply. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is the 21 EMA. We have price action going on right now. It's the European morning, so it's pretty flat. But this back pattern is still to form. If it comes back down to test in this zone, find support, completes and starts to move away, we look for the entry on the EMA cloud going above there. And again, we'll look at 6E now on the 4 hour. Again, I've done a metal, I've done an index, now I'm looking at a currencies future, and it's just the same for forex pairs as well. So we'll just let the calculation go ahead there. Okay, so again, longer term on the euro, crab pattern formed. Whoops, still calculating. Okay, crab pattern, just like the NQ. Okay, it formed, it completed in the automated completion zone back in November, and it's been going long ever since. It's just broken down below that cloud. Okay, again, 4 hour, we changed the cloud. The cloud's only 69 bucks, but it's a very, very useful tool. If you're on the 4 hour, you need to be on the 89. It's one of my favorite EMA cloud settings there. And this longer term play on the euro would have worked out extremely well. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking at day trades, but also you're looking at longer term trades and the direction. You see, on this 6E, we completed in the crab pattern completed. Okay, in the automated completion zone, we're looking for longs going out of the EMA cloud. Once we test the fib levels that we put in here and we start to move, we never close below the EMA cloud until just recently. So this trade was going all of this time, and you use that EMA cloud to manage that trade. So this was a great trade from November. This would have triggered going through here, and just kept going. Okay, sorry, December, and just really, using that EMA cloud. So you got the signal from the crab pattern on the euro here, and you got the long signal, came back down to test there, and we never closed below this EMA cloud until very recently. So this was a great trade. Again, just showing the power of this harmonic pattern. So this is for the ThinkorSwim platform, also available for quite a few other platforms on globaltradingsoftware.com.